really enjoy watching the 12th grade physics students have a year-end project that is very demanding. They have to design this, they have to do the shopping for what they need, they do their own fundraising or provide the funds, and then they have to construct their trebuchet. That all sounds very simple, and that part might be simple. But with their very first attempt at shooting a missile, they find out that it's firing backwards or it's dropping down, and then the problem solving really starts. I believe that this is preparing our students to go to college to truly understand what it means to follow through until you have the answer.
So I have today what's called a floating armed trebuchet. Stereotypically, with a trebuchet there's a weight and a pivot point, and it kind of swings around.
Of course, usually Mr. Murphy shows up, and Murphy's Law means that it doesn't run as well today as it ran yesterday.
My counterweights are on the bottom right now, and when you pull it back like this, they start at the top, and then they drop from here, and it flings forward and rolls on the wheels and shoots the projectile.
Now, we have a goal for why we do this. It's not just for hard work, and even though it's fun to have the parents involved with these students, we have a much deeper goal.
All right, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1!
So this is my trebuchet. It is different than all the other trebuchets because if you look at all the other ones, the counterweight starts at the center. My counterweight starts right here.
3, 2, 1, fire!
We truly believe that this generation of young people must learn to think and process and analyze.
So I chose what's called a floating arm design, where you cock the release arm, and on the either end of this release beam you have your counterweight and your launching mechanism.
I love Trebuchet Day.